In this video, you're going to learn how to create a landing page using the Clickfunnels landing page examples or templates, which will help you attract high quality leads so you can build your business online. Hi, I'm Sanat. Welcome to my channel. I create videos on the best ways to make money online. I talk about residual income, passive income, and the best online strategies, tools, and systems you need to build a successful online business, even if you have zero previous experience and no technical skills. So if you want to learn how to make money online, then consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell for my latest content. For transparency, this video or the description below may include affiliate links. Should you decide to click on them and make a purchase, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and it helps me create more such videos for you and helps support the channel. I thank you and appreciate your support. So let's now dive in. The purpose of a landing page is to encourage your prospects to take the next action that you want them to take in your online sales funnel. For example, you may want them to opt into your free lead magnet so that you can generate leads and convert those leads into new customers, sales, and sign-ups. After having tried several online tools, some cheap ones, some free ones, and some expensive ones, I have found Clickfunnels to be the best software because it is easy to use, particularly for beginners, and it helps you create smart landing pages which help you generate high quality leads, and that's exactly why I use it for my business also. Best part with Clickfunnels is that it gives you a free first 14 days trial offer, which is exactly how I started with Clickfunnels also. So I took full advantage of the first 14 days free trial period, during which time I learned how to use Clickfunnels, its different features, including how to create landing pages, so that at the end of the 14 days, I had a good idea about how Clickfunnels works. I liked it, and I was ready to start building my business online. So if that sounds like of some interest to you, and then you may also want to check out the first free 14 days trial offer, then check out the link in the video description below. And at the end of the 14 days, for whatever reason you don't like Clickfunnels, then you can just easily cancel it without any obligations or having to pay anything. So I'm now going to jump inside Clickfunnels and show you how to create a landing page. Alright, so we are now inside Clickfunnels to start creating a landing page using one of the Clickfunnels landing page templates or examples. You come to the top right here and click on Create Funnel. It brings up this page. Over here you can choose all different types of landing pages you can create. As you can see, when I hover my mouse over it, it changes the color, so I can choose any of them, and there's quite a few down the page. For the sake of our video today, I'm going to choose this one here on the top left. So I click on select, and it comes up with this page. Just before I get to how to create the landing page, as you can see here on the screen, you can see there's these three videos on the right side here. They've got green ticks next to them. Basically, these are free trainings that Clickfunnels gives you to learn how to create, landing pages, sales funnels, and all different types of features you can use inside of Clickfunnels. So training is really good. So particularly if you're new to Clickfunnels or just creating landing pages, this training is really good. And I've actually taught myself how to use Clickfunnels just by watching these videos and applying it. So it's quite simple to use. All right, so to start creating landing page using one of the Clickfunnels landing page templates or examples, down here we've got 7 of them. So you can choose any of these to create a landing page. And there's also another way where Clickfunnels also has a library of landing page templates, which we can access them from this button here, and I'll show it to you shortly. So, but just to have a look at, just to try one of these templates. So let's say if you wanted to choose this one here at the bottom, before you actually select this template to use, you can actually preview it by clicking over here. So I'm just going to click on that. It opens up this page here. So this is the landing page template. So as you can see here, it looks really good. It's got all the key elements in there. It's got the image here. It's got a section here where your prospects can type in the email address and they can become your lead. So it's quite simple and really professional looking. And so if you are happy with this, you can just close this here. Sorry, if you are not happy with this, then you can check out the other templates here by previewing them. If you are happy with it, then you can just click on select here. So let's say I'm happy with this, and I'm going to click on select funnel. So it's just now going to open up this window because ClickFunnels is now going to install this landing page so I can start making changes to it. So I'm just going to close out of this window and click on the top left here where it says funnels. And as you can see here, it's now already launched the landing page over here, which we had just clicked on or which we had selected. So I'm just going to click over here to bring it up. It's now going to launch, open the next page. And from there, we can click on where it says edit to launch, open the ClickFunnels landing page editor so we can start making changes to it. So there we go. So in here, we are now inside the editor, as you can see. And as I hover my mouse over all these different sections, it puts this colored box around it that just signifies that you can make changes to any of this sort of stuff here. So let's say if you wanted to change this this text over here, so I'm just going to type something in here. All right, so as you can see, it's quite easy to use. If you wanted to change the font, you can just click on this button here, and that'll allow you to change the font size or the type of font. So it's really quite easily done. If you wanted to, if you didn't want to have this section here at all, you can just click on delete. Just hover over it and just click on delete, and it'll just immediately get rid of it for you. At the top here, there's a section here where you can include your logo. But if you don't have a logo, you can just again come here and delete. Or if you do have a logo, then you can choose a logo here, and I'll show you how to do that now. So I'll just click over here, opens up this window on the side. Then you click on this icon here on the right side, and it opens up this library where I have got all my images and pictures and everything saved in here. So I'm just going to find a logo that I have used. And here we go. Here's one of my logos. So if I click on that, it inserts the logo in here, and you can easily adjust the size of the logo by coming here in this section and just increasing or decreasing the size. So it's really easily done. All right, so any of these sections here, you can make again changes to it as well. So if this was a lead magnet that you were giving away as an ebook or a book, whatever, you just hover it over it, and if you had your own image, you can change that. So if I just click on this, or you can click on settings, opens up this window again. And if I click on this image icon, again, it opens this library. Again, by the way, all these images that I've saved, I've saved them directly from my laptop, so it's quite easily done. So let's say I wanted to choose one of my images as an ebook that I'm giving away, or a free course. So let's say I click on this, it inserts that there immediately. Then you can adjust the size by again clicking on this image width and just sliding the bar up and down. So I've got my my lead magnet here, and if I want to make any changes to this, I can just hover over it and just change. And right now it's got this field here for email address. If you also wanted to give your prospects the opportunity to put their name in, you can just click on add element. Opens up this window. You come down here and click on input this element. It inserts that in there straight away for you. Right now, if you wanted to right now it's got two email address fields in there, so all you do is just click on this button here and come here and choose first name, last name, whatever you want to put in there, or full name. I'm just going to choose first name, and that immediately inserts that in here. All right, so now, and once your prospects type in the email address, they put in their email, they click on this button now, immediately ClickFunnels will send them the lead magnet or whatever it is that you're giving away to help them take the next action in your online sales funnel, and they become your lead. All right, now any further sections you can delete them or make changes. But again, if you're happy with everything here, then you just come here and click on save. So it will now save the changes that I've just made. And if I wanted to, so all these changes are currently currently visible on the desktop, because I'm using my laptop right now to make all these changes. So on the top right here, that's why the blue laptop button is highlighted. But if you wanted to see what the landing page looks like on someone's on a mobile, you just click on this icon for mobile, and it shows you now a reduced or a condensed version of the landing page, what it looks like on a mobile. So if you wanted to make changes on how it looks like on a mobile, you can make the changes here, just like I showed you how to make those changes on the desktop as well. So it's really quite easily done. And if you wanted to see what a live version of this looks like to a prospect, so you just come here where you've got the eye on the top right, just click on that. It opens up the session on this page. As you can see here, go to live page. I'm just going to click on that. So this is the live page that your prospects are going to see on their screens. All right, so as you can see, it looks really good and professional. So I'm happy with that. I'm just gonna click out of that. And so that's how you create a landing page using the template. I just want to show you one more thing by going to another ClickFunnels session here that I've already opened that for you here. So if I click on help button here, it opens up this little window on the bottom right. So if you are new to ClickFunnels or you're new to creating landing pages and you're not quite sure how to use any of these different features, then you can just click on help, and ClickFunnels has got really good help or resources here to help you out. You can check out some of these guided tours and videos. There's all these different things you can do to learn how to use ClickFunnels, and I've used all of these myself. And if you're not quite sure about something, you can always type in your question here, because ClickFunnels has got AI support bot which goes to work for you immediately and is really efficient. So for example, if I type in here how to a landing, excuse my slow writing, I'm not very efficient in typing, landing page, and I just hit enter. So click the AI support will immediately come up with the instructions showing you exactly what you need to do to create a landing page. So as you can see, it's really efficient. But even that, if you were not quite sure about this, or if you had more technical questions, then you can always click on this button here and talk to their have a chat with one of their staff. You can also email this email here, support@clickfunnels.com. And I've used all these services quite often. Every time, when I was starting to use ClickFunnels, as a beginner, and I found this really ClickFunnels support really good. So that's how you create a landing page using the ClickFunnels landing page templates. And again, to take advantage of the free first 14 days trial offer with ClickFunnels, click the link in the video description below. Alright, so if you got some value from this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Please comment below if there are any other ClickFunnels features that you would like to learn more about, and I will be more than happy to create videos on those topics for you also. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.